So this is your geography class, and in the last video we just started the first chapter, the Earth and the solar system. So I'm just writing the name of the chapter, the Earth in the solar system. Now in this video we have to start with solar system. Now what is solar system? In the last video also I told you sun and its family members are known as solar system. Now before starting, let me tell you who are the family members of the solar system. There is sun, planets, 8 planets. Now satellite is there, satellites, asteroids and meteoroids. Now you must be thinking, what are these things? Okay, we will discuss about other things. Let's start with sun and 8 planets today. Let me name the 8 planets first. What are the names of these 8 planets is, you remember I told you we live in planet Earth, which is a family member of solar system. Now with planet Earth there are 7 more planets whose name I am going to write here. First planet is Mercury, then Venus, Earth. Our planet Earth is third in the serial order of 8 planets. Then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now what does these 8 planets do? What does these 8 planets do? There is sun in the center of your solar system, and what does this 8 planets do? They revolve around this sun like this. We can call this as sun. And what are 8 planets doing? They are revolving around the sun on their own orbits. What are these lines? These are orbits, or you can say these are roads, these are paths. These are paths on which planets revolve around the sun. So these are orbits which are elliptical in shape. The shape of orbits is elliptical, or you can say oval, but the particular name which is used in geography is elliptical. These orbits are elliptical in shape and in the serial order, like I told you, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and last one is Neptune. These on their own orbits revolve around the sun. Now what is revolve? What is revolution? I will try to explain you this it is a kind of movement of planets, and I will try to explain you this kind of revolution movement through these two objects. Now imagine this as your sun and this circle as your planets. To understand revolution of the planets around the sun, we have to follow the path of this planet, right? Now what is revolution? The planets has to take one full circle around the sun and they move on their orbits. I told you they revolve around the sun like this. This is called revolution, and the time or period or duration taken by one planet to complete its one circle is known as period of revolution. Now like this movement, there is one more movement of planet. That means with revolution there is rotation in the planets. Rotation is when planets rotate on its own axis on one place like this. This is called rotation. So what is the actual movement of the planet? It rotates like this also, and it revolves like this also. So this is what our planet's doing in the solar system. Is that clear? Now, moving on, and let me tell you a few things about our sun. We'll discuss what sun is doing in the solar system. Sun is a huge body which has gases in it, and continuously it has reactions in it, nuclear fission reactions, and because of these continuous reactions going on in the sun, they emit heat and light. And sun is emitting heat and light, and these planets, because of this heat, gets these heat and light. So what is sun doing? It is emitting heat and light, and these planets are taking or absorbing this heat and light. With this, sun has its force, because of which, you can say kind of gravitational force, because of which the planets is revolving around it. Now, we'll discuss about planet Earth in our next video. So, keep in touch with these videos, and to better understand these things, please follow the PPTs which are being sent to you by the school. Thank you.